For today's salad, we need cucumber, English cucumber. You can slice it into thin like what I did, and you can add your different kinds of pepper. There's yellow, orange, and red, and then you can add your grape tomatoes, cut it into half. So I put 2 cups here. And you can add red onions. You can add more if you prefer to. And then let's put 1/3 cup of olives. And then we can put our 2 cups of chickpeas and 1 cup of sliced feta cheese. And then we can mix it all together. So this is how it looks like. For my dressing, I use olive oil, 1 medium lemon squeeze, and then salt and pepper and dried parsley. There you go. Yummy salad chickpeas.